In this module, I am going to discuss on Python variables. Very important thing. If you learn this, you will understand the remaining concepts in Python. First, what is variable? Variable is nothing but a name that is used to refer to memory location. Python variable is also known as identifier and is used to hold value. That means variables can be mentioned as your own thing that is meaningful and which is should be unique, and value should be assigned to the variable. Everything I'll mention with example. You have to open the Python software, that is idle Python shell. If you open this one, it will open. If you open this one, you will understand everything what I am doing. And this is the shell you are going to get, and assume that variable is nothing but a, where a is equal to 5. What is the meaning of this here? What is variable? A. And what is value? 5. Equal to is reference. You are just here, I already mentioned identifier naming. Here equal is used to assign a value to a variable. E is equal to 5. First, I'll go sequentially. A in the example, A is equal to 5. A is nothing but a variable. 5 is nothing but value, and you need to use print. That is very important. Forget about printf everything, but in Python only print. Python is nothing but simple English language. It is also highly object-oriented program language where scripts can be used. That will be developed over web, and in current statement, print should be used. In order to print anything, you have to use simple print a. Output is 5. Suppose you are just giving a is equal to 5. Here in C language, what you observe, you should declare with data type as int. But in Python, you don't require anything. Python compiler will automatically detect which type of data type. For this, type should be used. That is easily understood to the Python compiler. That means in print, you have to use type A. Here class int will be there. Okay, I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. Everything will be understood to the Python compiler automatically. It's like C language, you use int, char, float, that all headache will be there. But in Python you don't have any headache. Simply you have to give like this only. Suppose a is equal to 5, b is equal to a, and print a, and again print b. So both are getting same now. So again a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10. You are just printing all these things. Print b. I hope you are understanding what I am doing. Here I am giving value as 5 to variable a and value as 10 to variable b. Printing print a, print b. Here you are getting ab values as 5 and 10 respectively, and you need to give print type b class range. Assume that you are giving string now. A is equal to something Python. Print a Python. Whatever you are giving string, it will be printing. Suppose I enclose in double quotes, it will print normally. You give a single quote only. What will happen now? We'll see. Still, you will print the same thing. Same thing. Both, that means both are equal. You can use both single quotes and double quotes in order to support. But in C language, you will be knowing only single quote is character and double quote as string. But in Python, you don't have any headache. Whatever it will have, it will understand the Python compiler and it will print everything. Suppose print type A class string. Here previous examples, you are getting as a class as int. Here you are getting string. because you are enclosed, you are writing string. That's why it is displaying class as string. Up to now clear? If any doubt in this, you can just post the comment in this channel. I will clarify your doubts, and I hope this video benefits you a lot in basic Python. If you understand this only, you can build more level. I hope keep watching this channel very thoroughly. And one more thing you need to know this, what I mentioned in practically like this only. 50 will be stored in memory location, and here 50 is common where A and B uses the same thing. Next one, what are the important things again you need to know eagerly? Suppose you want to print addition of two numbers, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10, C is equal to A plus B. What is the output you should get? Print C. What you should get output? 15. See this carefully. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10, C is equal to A plus B. Print C. That is 5 plus 10, how much? 15. Again, you need to do modification also. C is equal to A minus B. That means previous will be overridden now. Again, print C minus 5. Then print type C integer, because it's numerically will support integer only. Previous one I included single quotes because it is displayed as string. I hope you are clear with this. If any queries also you can comment there. You can reach me. I'll clarify your doubts. And thanks for watching this topic. Thanks for watching this lecture, and keep watching on this channel. And everything will be benefited for you. I hope I'll keep continuing this channel till end.